Hello everybody, how you doing today? This is Awesome1235 bringing you another video here, and today we'll be playing Farm Hunt here at the Hypixel server. And I haven't recorded these in a while. I was gonna say a long time, but that's not true. It's just a while. But I'm back, and hopefully I don't lag. You know that lag. It just runs the game, you know. And if I see that it's ruining the game, I'm probably going to edit some parts. Probably just gonna do the same thing as always, but oh well. So the game is about to start in a few seconds, and what do I get? I'm a wolf. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, I really wished this wouldn't happen. Okay, I have to go somewhere where... Wait. I'm an ocelot. Whoa. I think... Oh, okay. Wait, never mind. I thought it was one of them. Now you might get bored in this part, but it's whole part of the game, so I'm sorry if it's gonna be a little bit boring, because I'm just waiting here, waiting for someone to come catch me so I can run. And just to make sure, let me just go over here. Like, ooh. I want to shoot somebody. Dang, they just found one out. Oh man, I thought I almost got him. Jeez, I keep failing. Oh my god. We still have some fair amounts, don't get me wrong. Oh, there's one coming right there. Never mind. I don't even know what happened. I think it's just because of my render distance. They don't, it seems quiet, it seems peaceful. Doesn't seem like that many people know where I am, or where the rest of us are. Oh jeez. We don't have that much. We still have some fair amount of time. You know, I wonder how enjoyable is this, just watching me wait patiently until somebody comes and tries to kill me. Wow, how fascinating. But you know, it's the whole point of the game. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh, now we're even. 7-7 animals and hunters. Never mind, we're 6-8. Royal Roger. Wait, there's one coming right there. To make sure he's not. Oh jeez. I almost got caught right there. Oh. Man, please someone come. Oh jeez. We have about a minute. Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. Now I start to run. Now I start to run. Oh jeez. You'll never catch me. Jeez. No, I died. No, dang it. I played too risky. Well, now it's my turn to go look for someone. I don't think we're gonna be able to find one. Now that there's like less than 10 seconds left. No one? Let's holler. Okay, let's see. Nope. Animals won. Well, GG for the first round. Let's go to the second pack. We're just waiting. We have a fair amount of time left. But this time, I'm gonna pick Hunter. I'm gonna volunteer. Oh, that's messed up. You see that? You see that, Chad? You're gonna spawn as a hunter anyways. Well, that sucks. Either way, if you're volunteering, they have the more action than the animals. Unless, like, you get caught and you start running. That's a totally different story. But yeah, okay, is the game about to start? Oh jeez, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get ready, people. Yeah. Wait. Yes. Aw. I thought I got that. Aw. Okay, let's go here. Let's see who we can find from here. I'm gonna be a ghost member. I just saw one running. Is there gonna be anyone around here? Anyone around here? Don't worry. I will do this first. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, of course. Of course, I just go over here. Yeah, you didn't think I would see you? I knew you were the wolf. There we go. Run, 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 run. Man, they're really fast though. There you go. There we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. We need to catch him. At least someone grab. Okay, he's dead. Yes. Was he killed? Oh man, he ran away. There he is. I think he's low. He's low. He has to be low. As long as he doesn't escape from me, it should be okay. Jeez, he's running too fast. No, I wanted that. Okay, oh well. We still got one. So, I think that's a win-win for everyone. Some people look innocent, you know? Let's go in here. Oh, we have one more animal to look for. And we still have a lot. Oh, wait, we won. Okay, GG. Let's hit that on chat. Yeah, that was a win. Good thing. That wasn't hard, except for that wolf that I couldn't even kill. But, well, we'll be... Wow, look. Catchy songs. Aw. Oh well. Second... Wait, no. Third round. I'll be right back. And third round is about to start right now. And hopefully I'm an animal right now. Because that's what I put. No. Dang it. Oh jeez. Okay, again. Well, hello everybody. Let's just spam. Oh, I don't think you can do that anymore. Oh, you can. We used to do this all the time. I used to do this all the time. Okay, let's just wait these 30 seconds. So yeah, hopefully I win again. Of course. I think this is the only game I can actually win or something. I don't even know. Whoa. Wait, you seem too innocent. Look. Ooh. There he is. See, that was fast. No! He just escaped. Look. It seems like... Oh jeez. I just lost that. Oh my god. Don't worry. We'll have a good time together. Let's play it safe in here. There he is. He was hiding in there all along. Please. There's no way you're gonna escape. Where is it? No, that was supposed to be mine. No, dang it. Okay. Well, at least we found one out of the 11 that we still have. Dang it. I'm just gonna follow these people. Like, we're literally following the same chicken. If somebody takes my kill, well, you know. Oh, jeez. Did I kill one? No, I didn't kill one. Wait. There we go. There's that chicken again. There's another. Oh my god, I don't even know which chicken I'm actually following. No! Oh well. Good run for you, chicken. Good run. Like, I don't quite believe you. Let's just go in here. There could be another chicken. Hopefully not. Yeah, but I think that's the end of it. Look at that cow. Seems so innocent. You guys seem so innocent though. Don't worry, we still have 2 more animals. Could they be pigs? Could they be cows? I don't know. Either way, it's gonna be pain just to find these. Usually they hide really well, like this one. They hide so well. And then you can't, like, it's hard for you to find them. Aw, well, animals get the victory today. We'll go on our last game. Let's just save that. So, I'll be right back with the last. Got about 5 seconds left for the final round of this video, and hopefully hunters win this time. I decided to be hunter now. So, I think this is just so loud, probably you can't hear my voice right now. But if you can, oh well. Yeah, hopefully we win. The animals have won 2 times, we have won 1 time. So let's see, how is this gonna turn out? The game's about to start. Let's go hunt ourselves, son. Oh, you. There he is, there he is. There we go, we can. Oh my god, I hate this leg. No, I just died. You know? Doesn't really make sense for you to go kill just a random person. Okay, you have to fight. Yeah, that's right, that's what I thought. Aw, I was gonna get that kill. Well, let's try to kill this one. Yeah, so that's where they've been hiding. Oh. It's not this one. Or that one. So no wonder many of them survive. Because they hide in the parts where people might never find them. Wait. Don't worry, I'll place a bomb here. still have 7 more animals to catch. This is gonna be a little bit hard. You seem innocent. Jeez, how are we gonna? Yep. Okay. Interesting. We have 5 more animals to go. Oh jeez. You know that chicken played out a really good thing. You know, I'm just gonna place this just in case. There we go. Nothing good in here. Let's go in the back. They sometimes hide around. Oh, gee. Okay. What about this pig that's just in there? Oh, time is running out. Man, just imagine that was actually a real person. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Wait. We have 3 more and we have like less well, around 30 seconds left. Is there someone around? Anyone around? Any animal? Okay, we have 2. Will we make it or will they? You know? Oh jeez. Well, the animals have won this game again. So, the animals take the victory in this video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, please be sure to touch that like button. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, anyone you know, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.